name is Arnav Kapoor and today I am making my grandmother home remedy. It helps me to cure from cough and cold. So the ingredients are tulsi, long, kali mirch, good, munakka, ginger powder and 2 glass of water. So let's start. First we pour 2 glass of water in the pan and switch on the gas stove and put in medium flame and first take tulsi, long, kali mirch, good, munakka, ginger powder. Now boil it for 10 minutes or till the time it become half. So it is boiled for 10 minutes and as you can see it's become half. Now we will pour this home remedy into the glass with the help of strainer. Now as you can see the texture is golden brown. Because of good the children can drink it easily. So whenever you have throat pain, cough and cold, you can make this home remedy and enjoy it. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and click the bell icon and share this video. Thank you.